Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way. That's a big bite. Let's have a big bite of this. You got the gravy, you got the egg, you got the rice, you got that burger. Look how Mikey Moco Coco, And that's the taste test. It's all coming back to me. Like a strange dream. Let's take a big peanut buttery bite. There it is, how to make a killer steak salad. I just showed you, but let's see if it's good. Let's see how this guy tastes. But here's a bite with everything. Turkey, cheese. There it is. There's the span. Well, ain't nothing to it but the dough. Let's try this. Very ricey. Well, it looks good, but this is the oil. Only way to tell. It's all there. Let's see if we're gonna call it delicious or a huge mistake. I'm getting dueling mayo, peanut butter. It's cheesy. That's that street taco. Oh. There it is. I mean, it's 5 pounds of pork. I can't hold it up, but here it is. It's perfect. It's killer diller. It's delicious. There it is. It's a big pile of pork. Ain't nothing to it but the what, you know, do it. The crunch from the cabbage, the cilantro's forward, the cheese melts in with the chicken perfectly. I'm scared. Not really. First thing that hits you is the mustard and the cheese. Then that pickle comes in. The cheese is creamy. The pulled pork is gorgeous. Remember, there's a link below on how to make that. Need I say more? The only thing that I need to say is this. I got that mustard and pickle right off. The creaminess of that egg cooked perfectly so the yolk can do its thing. And then that pork. You gotta try that pork. Again, we got a video on the link below. This is a good sandwich. What more to say except try all my sandwich recipes. And check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name for anything, not just food, but videos about anything you want about life. Keep living life 365. Until next time, peace. Live life 365. I like that. I think my head's cut off again. Eat pork 365. That's my new website. Eat pork 365. Sweet Babu.